You will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. You have to remove 2 screws out of this to pull this box away from the back side of the door. You will need a pair of slip joint pliers, or actually any type of plier, and I'll remove the screws. The knob comes through this metal plate that works the 2 locking rods. To pull the knob out, you will need a pair of pliers to pull this cotter pin. That is what holds the plastic knob in. To replace the knob, it would be just reverse of what was just done. The cotter pin goes through this small hole after this fits through the steel plate. And that is how you replace the knob. Once you pull this knob out, if you notice, there's a flat spot on half of the knob here. There is also a flat spot in the steel plate that has the locking rods attached to it. When you reinstall the knob, there is only one way it will fit through the plate. You push it through the plate and you reinstall the cotter pin, and you're done.